love and tell me who. Say my name, say my name, say my name is around you. Baby, I love you. Say my name, say my name. Kinda shady, ain't calling me baby.
All right, hey you guys, let's jump right into this tutorial. So this unit is from Alipearl. This is their super full. This girl is full right here. Kinky straight unit. It can be worn glueless. It comes pre-plucked and pre-cut. It is a closure wig, and I believe this is 24 inches. Of course, it has a elastic band in the back. No combs on this one so that you're able to just pop it on and go. First things first, on this unit that I'm going to do is flat iron it. So hair is super full. I needed to go ahead and flat iron this unit because it was pretty warm on this day. That and our AC, y'all, went out. And yeah, anyways, I just like to flat iron kinky straight anyways. So I'm just taking my really large, I think this is a 2-inch, really large. It's 2-inch flat iron, girl, get it together. Remington flat iron. I've been talking about this Remington for a while now because it was very inexpensive and it does a really great job. So I'm doing large sections, doing the chase method, and just doing one pass per section. I still wanted the volume in this hair like always. I didn't want it super bone straight. I only go for bone straight when I'm doing like a kinky straight, when I'm doing like a middle part sleek look, that kind of thing, and I'll do more than like one pass. But here, just doing one pass per section, making sure you add some heat protectant as well to this. This hair took to the flat iron very well just by doing one pass. So for this particular look, you guys, I'm doing something different I've never done on my channel. I'm going to wear this glueless unit with a little bit of leave out in the front. So I won't have to deal with the lace or anything like that on my head, which is perfect because today was warm. And this is just for my ladies who don't want to do the whole lace and all that kind of stuff. They just want it to look, they want their hair to look as natural as possible. So one thing that I've discovered that whenever people, I've seen people do this style, is that the parts are never the same. And so since my hair is fine and it's a little bit thinner right in the front, I decided to go ahead and pluck the part of this unit so that it can kind of mimic and flow very easily with my natural hair. I just feel like when the parts don't even match, so on your wig and your natural hair, it's just a dead giveaway. So the next thing I did, y'all, was just add some big curls. Y'all, my curling iron game is dreadful. It's horrible, but y'all know me. I'm going to keep practicing something until I get it right. And the only way to get it right is just to keep going and keep practicing. So after I curled each section, I just went on ahead and did Bantu knots to hold the curl. And I had decided this day I did this in the morning, so I was going to pop this on my head later that evening when we were going to get ready to go head out, do some things, go to dinner, run some errands as well. So I'm just twisting up little sections after I curl them, and then I'm just gonna clamp like a little clip so that it holds. And I'm gonna do this all in the front. I think I ended up doing 5 sections, but you guys, let me tell you, the best way to get a curl, especially if you need your curl to hold all day long, is just to use some wrap lotion. So I ended up doing that in the back 2 sections just to see the difference, and I'll end up showing you guys and pointing out the 2 curls that I used the wrap lotion on. But wrap lotion and doing Bantu knots if you want to, or wrap lotion and doing flexi rods and letting it sit, leaving it on, you know, for a day or a few hours, depending on where you're going, how much time you have, is going to be key in getting this hair to curl. Kinky straight hair is always so hard. It doesn't matter the brand, the whoever. It's so hard to keep a curl in because they fall really easily. So that's just my tip for you if you have the time. All right, y'all, so here's my little bit of leave out. This is my struggle leave out. We struggling with the front of my head lately, probably because I keep applying so much heat right in the front. It's ridiculous. Anywho, the show must go on. So I'm just taking my little pencil, flat iron, whatever you want to call this little thing, and just hitting the front of my head really quickly. Make sure you do add some heat protectant to whatever leave out you have. So this way I still just want that natural look. I want it to look like my hair. I don't want to have any lace on my forehead. Don't want to use any kind of glue, nothing like that, you guys. So this is what we're working with, and then once this is all done, I'm gonna go ahead and pop the unit on. So before I popped it on, y'all, I'm just taking a little bit of the excess lace off because it is rigid, and I'm trying to make this as flush as possible. So that's all I'm doing here. Next, I'm gonna grab my even spray, and the wig is already on my head, but there's this little line right here of demarcation, and to prevent that from popping up and sticking up, I'm just adding this spray, this lace spray, and I'm just taking it with my finger, and now I just blow dried it down as much as possible, hoping that that gives me a seamless look right here. And then I'm just gonna end up taking all the curls down. The curl right here, I think this is coming up. Yes, this one right here, you guys, is the one that I use the setting foam on, the setting lotion, and look how pretty that curl came out. So yeah, just throwing it out there, and I let these curls sit for a while. So that was the only thing. They didn't quite hold as well as I wanted them to. And then some of the curls were looser and tighter than other ones, but I ended up making it work in the end. So final touches, y'all. I'm just gonna curl my natural hair, the leave out, in with the kinky straight hair, just using my wand curler. And then I'm gonna get a little bit of concealer right along the part, because my scalp is a little lighter than the wig. And then the last detail, you guys, is it's obvious that you see the line of demarcation, and you're gonna see me try and pull out my bronzer. Y'all, I thought I had black eyeshadow. I couldn't find my black, I guess I don't even wear black eyeliner anymore because I couldn't find that. You just need something black right here, right on the sides, to blend everything in and keep that part going. So do as I say. Obviously I couldn't do it, but that is going to give you the most flawless outcome. I still think it ended up looking really good, but here I am just trying to use my bronzer, but it didn't work quite as well. But anyways, you guys, I still think it came out really good. This is a really great option for you if you do not want to deal with the lace and just want a glueless option. All right, you guys, so here's the final look. I'm so happy with the outcome. This was my first time trying to do my wig like this. I've never done this on my channel. I really wanted to do something for all my ladies who don't want lace stuck to their head, on their head. They don't want to do the baby hair thing. They don't want to do none of that kind of stuff. They just want it to look as natural as possible. This is for you guys. I did some big wand curls for you just to kind of spice it up a little bit. I do recommend, just for nighttime, to stop you from having to put so much heat on your head all the time with leave outs, because I know that's one thing that we do not like to do, is just constantly add heat to our leave out, to our hair. Just take a flexi rod and then just curl it at nighttime and then undo it in the morning, and you should be good. I really like this, and although I did a couple more extra steps, you don't have to do as many steps as far as styling the curls. I just could not get the curls to do what I wanted them to do. Super easy, obviously, to put on. I don't feel like the wig is gonna go anywhere. I actually feel like it's attached to my head really well. Like I always say, y'all, don't be doing no gymnastics and roller coasters and stuff so we gonna see a wig flying off. It's secure, but it's not that secure because there are no combs or anything attached to it. Before I go, I'm gonna just show you at the end of this video how easy it is to just take this unit off. Let's just say you just don't want any leave out at all. So I'll show you guys how that looks in just a bit. I know this is not a new concept. Let me know what you guys think of this look. Would you wear it? Have you worn your wigs like this before? All the details, of course, on this unit, anything I used, will be down below in the description box for you to check out. If you have not given me a thumbs up, go ahead and do so and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye. Y'all, I almost forgot to record this part. I didn't went on about my day and was like, oh crap. Anyways, I'm just gonna add a little bit of water, pop this unit on, push my hair back, and pop it back on. Super simple. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, giving you just some different options on how to wear a glueless wig. And I'm so glad I finally tried it as well. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to you in my next one. Bye.